Morning, guys. So today is gonna be kind of an interesting day. I'm gonna learn how to ride this thing, the shifty skateboard thing you see all the kids ride. I don't even know what this thing is. It says RipStik. I guess today I'm gonna learn how to ride this RipStik DLX Mini. Apparently this is a small one. I don't know much about them, but we'll give it a try. First though, I'm gonna get some food. I'm at a 7-Eleven and I'm gonna grab, I don't know, let's just see what they have. All right, let's see. This is the sandwich we got. Why can't I peel it? Oh, there we go. Just like that. Let's take a look at this. What do you think? Chicken teriyaki egg? Not bad. All right, guys, time to embarrass myself. Never tried this thing before. Let's try it. I don't even know. I can't even stand it. I didn't think it'd be so hard. I think it's probably broken. All right, guys, I moved to a different spot because this ground here is for running on and it's actually a little bit soft. It has some give. So I don't know if the wheels were working that well. Like I said, I think the thing was broken. So I'm gonna just try doing it in the street. I'm gonna try it in the road here. Let's see. It's a lot more rolly. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is better. Oh, I moved for a second. Maybe you start like this. One down and one up. Guys, I didn't want this video to be super long. But I think it might take me a while to do this thing. Guys, this is really, really tough. Everyone's staring at me like, look at that American guy. Can't even do this. These kids are probably dying to show me how to do it right now. Okay, let's keep trying. Guys, I know I don't know how to do this, but I'm looking at this thing and it's pretty rusted. And I'm wondering, I mean, I'm sure it's me just not knowing how to do it because I've tried them in the stores, the new ones. But this one's pretty rusted up and I don't know if it's actually gonna work or spin. The middle doesn't even really spin that well. Let's see. So, I don't know. I just noticed something, guys. This is made by Razor. Can you see it? Razor scooters were the thing when I was a kid. I know everyone's riding these things now, but I got a Razor scooter when I was 9 years old when they first came out. Like the first ones, it was like $150, I think. And now they're like 30 bucks or something, but it was really cool. It was the foldable scooter thing. You guys remember that? Because it was awesome. And then I remember like just a few months later, Razor started coming out with like cooler ones. And I remember my friend 4 or 5 months after I got mine, after they came out, he got one that was, it was orange and it had orange shocks on the front of the front wheel. And I was so jealous. And mine was just like the basic one. But anyway, Razors were cool. Heelys were another thing. Everybody was getting kicked out of middle school with the shoes with the wheels, the Heelys. I missed those. But now it's RipStik. I don't know. I honestly don't know if this one's gonna work, guys. I'll try it a little bit longer, but the middle doesn't turn very well. It's sort of rusty and stuff. I don't know if the middle's supposed to turn like a lot better. This video might be kind of lame because I won't even be able to get to ride this thing, but I'll keep trying. Some kids stopped me and said some stuff in Japanese. Well, they said konnichiwa, which means you suck. But I'm about to ask some of these kids if they could even ride this thing. And I want to see them ride this one because this is the rusty one. And I think it might just be not working, like dysfunctional. Guys, I want to learn more about this thing. So this is a Razor RipStik with a K. Let's look at this thing. Let's go to YouTube actually. Ride a RipStik. for beginners.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jaden here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to ride a RipStik. The thing I like about a RipStik more than a skateboard, you can turn really sharp and also you can carve. So as far as I know, this is the smallest RipStik you can get. There are different sizes. I just happen to have the smallest one.
I also have the smallest one.
There is a front and a rear, but this is what you do. I'll show you that one more time.
Rolling.
Also, if you don't get the right placement on your butt, to keep moving, you're gonna have to learn how to wiggle. And wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Okay. Huh. All right. So this kid in the video, he said, whichever way the front is pointing is the direction you're gonna go. When you're turning or moving, you keep the front straight, and the back is the one you move with your foot like this. And you keep the front straight. And then to steer, you just tilt the front slightly forward or back, or you could do it really hard, do sharp turns. It's actually kind of a cool design once I learned some stuff from that kid. Now I gotta try it. He recommended starting on a hill to get some momentum. I have a slight hill here. I don't know if you could tell. With our newfound knowledge, let's give it a try. Get some momentum. Oh, okay. Centered. So whichever way the front's facing. Back. Woohoo! 日本語少し。
やっぱりアメリカ人でしょ。
アメリカ人、はい。You wanna try?
わからない。
あなたはできますか？
もう、できる。
できる？あ、すごい。Wow. This might be a better video than I thought. Some kid showed me how to do it. I'm learning how to do it. This hill is really helping. Can I have some milk tea? Should definitely wear a helmet, especially on this hill. I feel like Chris when we taught him how to ride a bike. So guys, that's it. I'm sweaty. I'm gonna call it a success. Turns out my RipStik is not broken, and turns out it's called a RipStik. I've never heard of it before, but it says RipStik on it, so if there's another name, let me know in the comments. I wanna know, how many of you guys can actually ride this thing? And do you guys remember Razor scooters or Heelys? Like, what was your era? What was the big thing? Was it skateboards? I don't know how old you guys are. This RipStik was fun. You got to see me fall a few times. I'm gonna do whatever I want on this channel, and if you guys like it, if you like Japan, if you like Okinawa, if you like me, just subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be doing a lot more, and subscribing to my channel really helps me out. So subscribe, like the video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Tell me your RipStik stories. Have you ever tried this thing? Have you fallen? Are you a pro at it? Whatever. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.